Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. It's a new day with new problems. Bark. So I had to run out to the store, pick up one of these from my back door because mine fell apart and I can't lock the bus. And I got 1 hour to get this done so I can go watch the Chiefs. Okay, I just took the old one off. Let me show you real quick. So this is the factory hole for the bar. So there used to be a big old red bar that would come down in here. And on the outside there was a handle. There was no lock for this door. That's the factory hole. I did not cut anything. I just took the original door handle off, as you can see where it was screwed to, and put this other lock in here. Now I did have to, if you can see that, let's see. There we go. I did have to build that up with some welds because the door wouldn't seal. So the door would be like that or so, and it would just not seal up at the top. So you can tell that it needs to be pulled in. So here's the old lock, and there's the new lock. Now, I'm sure you could see a difference, and I'm going to show you how to make this work. So what you do is you flip it over. You flip it over and take the screw out right there. Alright, so the screw's out. Throw that over there. Take this off. Just like that, nice and carefully. And then you just flip this over. And it does the opposite. And then it'll go on your back door in place of the stock handle. And you get an outdoor lock, which is right here. Right here. This is the part that broke. See? So it broke. Still together. I don't know where the other parts are. I give up. Don't care. Need a new one. It looks like it just corroded. Looks like it just corroded around there. So, let's get this installed so I can go watch the Chiefs. So here is the mechanism. And you just flip it over and put it back in there. Just like that. Now they're the same. So we're going to install this part first because that's how it works. And yeah, let's go do that. I can't take you along because I need two hands and I'm kind of in a hurry because it's Sunday and football and Chiefs and beer. Gotta go. So here's the stock hole, and I'm going to show the lock in it. So the way this works is these little ears catch. They need to be straight. There you go. They need to be under there if you can see them. And there's also some on this side for the lock. So this thing locks it. So see how it does it with the key? This will keep it from turning. This thing is dangerous. I wonder if I could take that out. I don't like that. Alright, I got it installed. It's actually tighter than it was before. That's good. I'm staying at a RV park in Christmas, Florida. Horrible fucking. They got a 80-degree pool year round. But my buddy's flying in from Kansas City. We got some plans. When he gets to Orlando, we're gonna meet up at the Universal Studios and go to the theme park for the day. Next day, we're gonna come back here. We're gonna stay. Next day, we're going east to the Kennedy Space Center. We're gonna do the full tour, maybe even the IMAX. And then the day after that, we're gonna have to move the RV somewhere, which I'll probably go to my secret spot. Secret. And then we're gonna drive north down the up the coast to St. Augustine, Florida, and go back, stay the night, and then we're gonna go south to Stewart down the coast and do stops whenever. But it's gonna be a busy 4 days. I'll try to film a lot of it. It isn't gonna be easy. So far, Blossom Journey, I'll give you an update on that. I think me and her ended up raising about $300 or something. But $300 when you're on the road and you don't make like 9 to 5 money, $300 is a lot. So it's basically a coupon, and everybody needs a coupon. So I appreciate everybody. I'm not gonna name names. I'll delete the video after she leaves the shop and gets her bill paid. But man, this Florida weather is amazing. I'm glad. It's gonna be a high of 20 tomorrow, low of 9, foot of snow in Kansas City. Suckers. Y'all have fun with that. I'm gonna sit here and drink my barley pops and hope my dad comes to visit. Probably do some editing. Took the bike out on a ride earlier. Still haven't really showed y'all the bike. Guess I could right now. Why not? Oh, I didn't record none of that. Check your oil, folks.